Hello students, welcome to our next video tutorial on engineering drawing subject. We are discussing about topic projections of straight lines. Previously, with respect to case wise, we have discussed a few problems. We are going to move next case 3. Case 1, I think you hope gone through the previous video tutorials. Case 1, it was line parallel to both the planes. Case 2, line contained on one plane and parallel to other. Now case 3, line perpendicular to one plane and parallel to the other. Perpendicular to one plane and parallel to the other. Now we are at problem number 4. Line perpendicular to one plane. See what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is nothing but the line which is at 90 degrees. Am I right? Line which is at 90 degrees. See, if I take a straight line, this was the position which I explained as first case. Line parallel to both the planes. Parallel is nothing but end A and end B are at same height. End A and end B, both points, end points are at same height. Then you can tell line is parallel to HP. Now parallel to VP. End A and end B are at same distance. Then you can tell line is parallel to VP. Now here I am making this line here like this. You can see now the line is perpendicular. Perpendicular is 90 degrees. 90 degrees to which plane here? Horizontal plane. Perpendicular to HP. Now and parallel to VP. Parallel to VP. Now if I keep line position like this. Line 90 degrees. Perpendicular to VP. Parallel to HP. Right? Height, same height. Right? These are the two cases, perpendicular to HP and perpendicular to VP. Perpendicular, remember 90 degrees. Now this was parallel difference. Parallel, perpendicular to HP. Parallel to VP, perpendicular to VP. Clear? Now, coming to the problems, we will solve problems so that you will be understand better. Problem number 4, a line AB 50 mm long is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. The end points A and B are 60 mm and 10 mm above HP. The line is 20 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. Right? So analyze the question. What is the line given? AB of 50 mm. Right? As usual, let me write my data. AB given of 50 mm long is perpendicular to HP. This position line parallel to both HP and VP. Now line perpendicular to HP. Now this is HP, line keeping vertical, not horizontal, vertical, perpendicular to HP. 2 points are there for a line A and B. Considering this as A and this as B, and parallel to VP. Parallel to VP is nothing but from VP same distance. Top end point and bottom end point are at same distance. Now, at what distances? The end points A and B are 60 mm and 10 mm above HP. Now, you look this. This is a vertical line. I have placed here. It is on HP. Now, this end point A, B. Total length is 50. Now, what is he telling? End point A and B are 60 mm and 10 mm. End point A is 60 mm above HP. I am considering top point as end point A, right? This as end A. Now this should be at what height from HP? 60 mm. Now this length of the line is how much? 50 mm. B at 10 mm. B is at where? 10 mm above HP. Now that means that from horizontal plane at a height of 10 mm your line is starting. With which point? B point. A point is at top. See, sir, how you can confirm that A point is at top? See, A 60 mm above HP. This should be A, which should be 60 mm from HP, and 10 mm B and 10 mm above HP. B point 10 mm above. Total length is 50. 50 length of the line, 10 mm above. Total it becomes 60. Now the line is 20 mm in front of VP. In front of VP, 20, 20, parallel. Line parallel to VP. Now this case is line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Draw its projections. Draw its projections is nothing but for us here first angle projections. First angle projection means front view comes above xy, top view comes below xy. Front view looking from here. When you are looking from here, it is a vertical line to what? XY reference line. See, if you want to go with the height h or whatever the things, there is no parallel, so I am not going with h. H is both 10 mm and 60 mm. Distance D is 20 mm. If I have to write the given data. Now, answer XY line. Take any point, right? See that point from there, what you have to do? You are supposed to draw a 10 mm dot. Front view. Your line should start at 10 mm above. Up to 10 mm, what we have to draw? Project. Take any point. Draw a 10 mm line. Now at this location, what points you will be actually starting? B dash. Why? Because I said A is at 60 mm, B is at 10 mm. Now from here, A dash. Now A dash, B dash is the original line which is of 50 mm. Now from B dash to XY line, it is of 10 mm. Clear? See, this 10 mm gap I have shown with the help of red. It's a projector gap. Now this is a line. Now top view. The line 20 mm in front of VP. Front view, top view. Top view will be below XY. Now you have to observe. Top view, for this vertical straight line, when we are looking from top, it will look like a dot, a point. It won't look like a straight line. I hope you understand this. When this is a vertical, when I am looking from here, it is looking like a dot. Now at what distance the dot should be? At what distance? 20 mm. So draw a line of projector of 20 mm. Keep a point. At what distance? 20 mm. What points will be visible here when you are looking from top? Yeah, correct. A point. So this is A. How about B? B is at bottom, right? It is in the bottom of A. A exactly bottom B. When you are looking from top, we will be able to see only A. But inside or underneath it, we are having B also. So that also we are supposed to show with the help of writing it in bracket. So finally, front view 50 mm line starting from 10, 50 mm totally 60. Right here, you are supposed to show this dimension as 60 for A location, means in the right side you can show it as 60. Simple, right? See, think here you are supposed to draw perpendicular line, but not starting from on HP on XY, but at a distance of 10. 50, 10, total 60, top view point at a distance of 20 mm, but A point is on top. That you have to understand. The end points A and B are 60 mm, 10 mm means first A point is 60 mm above HP, B point is 10 mm above HP. So in that regard, B is about 10, B dash, front view A dash, B dash, top view AB. Clear? I hope you all understand this. If you have still any doubts, you can contact me at any time. Thank you. Jai Hind.